700 caballos de fuerza base, 0 to 60 mph en menos de 3 segundos, top speed of 217 mph, pure power, pure passion, pure Italian fire. Y mira nada más como suena, man.
And that's virtual with popping, man.
They said money can buy happiness, but have you ever had a Lamborghini Aventador V12 at 8,000 RPM?
So what I have here is
215
Lamborghini Aventador. Is a part of Aventador lineups, which was debuted in 2011 as Lamborghini's flagship V12 supercar, succeeding the Murciélago, named after a legendary Spanish fighting bull called the Aventador. This supercar is unapologetically bold with raw V12, non-hybrids, and sounds sedation, man. Come on, let me show you some numbers. Ben, let's go. Entonces, abriendo este, que tenemos aquí es 6.5 litros B12, naturalmente aspirado. So what we have here is 700 horsepower at 8,250 RPM with 690 Newton meter, which is 509 pound-feet of torque at 5,500 RPM. Y 0 a 60 mph is in 2.9 segundos.
Naturally aspirated V12.
So it's a V12, so that's what we have here. Say caution, high temperature. So if you check the front, que es espacio para maleta, we can get here is que podemos tener aquí is 3.9 cubic feet. Aquí tenemos la cargador. We have this large. You can get this V12 volts down there. So here we have the chargers and the cover. So 3.9 cubic feet is approximately 110 liters of frunk. You can see it? Very nice. The velocidad máxima, which is the top speed of this Lamborghini Aventador, is in 270 mph, que is approximately 350 km per hour. Y aquí tenemos su peso en vacío, which is the cube weight, que is in 3,472 pounds. El peso vacío, the cube weight. So the EPA for this Lamborghini Aventador, we have 11 mpg para la ciudad y 18 para carretera, which is 11 for city, which is 11 for city, and 18 mpg for highway. The drivetrain for this Lamborghini Aventador is all-wheel drive. That's the drivetrain. The transmission for this Aventador is a 7 velocidades, 7 speed, which is independent shifting rods. Y la llanta de atrás está en 355-25 de 21 pulgadas. Esta es de atrás. That's the back of it. Then when you come to the front, y la llanta de frente tenemos aquí 255 de 30 de 20 pulgadas. En el frente. Here we have all these massive intakes. It's really massive. I think it's in both sides. The driver's side and the passenger side. Okay. Just know that 0 to 124 mph in this Aventador is 8.6 seconds. In this Aventador, launch control is standard. So the red line for this Aventador is 8,500 RPM. And the material for this engine is aluminum alloy block and heads. So the overall longitude total, which is the overall length, is 188.2 inches. And the wheelbase, which is a distancia entre ejes, is in 106.3 inches. That's from the front tire to the back tire. The height, which is the altura, is in 44.7 pulgadas. Está bien chaparrito, man. Entonces, si te duele tu rodilla, perdón, ya valió queso, man. Porque necesito hacer más de pianation para subir este Aventador. So here you get a fuel capacity tank of 90 liters, which is almost 23.8 gallons. Is at the passenger side. So you get the weight in, so you get the overall weight in 79.9 inches. This rear spoiler is deployable with two or more positions depending on the speed. This exhaust looks very cool. I love this interior, man. Good stuff. 2 buttons. So let's go interior and see what it gets at interior. For the windows, door lock, all those buttons. So let's see what we have here. Before you step inside, you see it's very cool. All this nice leather, different seat positions. Okay, once you step inside the Lambo, so we have different light buttons. Different modes. We have the modes. For memories. Then it has crazy buttons all over the place. You have for start and stop button. Crazy buttons all over the place. You can see it's time is impact. Crazy buttons. This is what it looks like on it. All the navigation, info, a lot of buttons all over here. Radio, media. Then here we have the Strata, which is the normal. We have sports, then Corsa. The sports, one is in sports, changes like this. One is in Corsa. This crazy, man. With this. I love the interior, man. So este instrumental cluster es en 12.3 pulgadas y aquí de infotainment tenemos, está bien chiquito en 7 pulgadas, porque me gusta aquí es muchos botones que tiene. Let's see, we touch this one. That's crazy, man. That's it. That's the McLaren 720. And that's it. This time, man. Woo. Man, that's virtual with popping, man. Fucking virtual with popping, man. That's it, man. Crazy.
The price and pressure of this 2015 Lamborghini Aventador is 9,500,000 Mexican pesos, which is equivalent to 518,399 USD. Con esto me despido. See you in the next one. Adios. Otra vez. Who is kill? La última. Who is kill? Chale, ya valió chorizo, man. ¡Ay, español!